Alright, here he goes. He's going to bring it all the way down to his mom. We'll show Luke what we found.
Hey,
What letter did you find?
I don't know yet.
I haven't gotten that far.
Alright, now guess what, Aiden? Next time we're gonna earn points if we can get past something without crashing into it.
Ooh.
Alright, come over here.
It's the letter E.
Yeah, we know all about this letter, don't we? Alright, on your knees. Alright, when I make an E, I do the same thing. I have a long stick. And then I jump back up to the top like a frog. Watch my frog. Jump! How many short sticks do I make? 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Make a long stick down. Stop! Jump back up to the top. 1 at the top. 1 in the middle. And 1 at the bottom.
Good job.
Alright, take it back. There's another one waiting for you.
Check that action out.
Come on down.
You're going to have to find a new way to get down.
Watch out. Oh, good job. Oh, he's
Zip line is
this.
closed.
Turn her around. Oh, you can go all the way around. Can you do it? Whoop.
You're doing it.
Oh, he's getting through without crashing into anything. I bet he can make it all the way down
All
to the
right.
stump.
All the way, all the way, all the
All the
way.
way down and stop. Oh, without crashing. You get 10 points for that.
We're going to go find
All right.
leaderboard.
What letter is that? That's in your name too, isn't it? An N. Okay, you ready? Watch me.
I know how to do it.
I bet you do. I'm going to make a long line down. Stop.
I want the little one.
Where am I going to go?
Bryce?
Jump back up to the top like a
Do we
frog.
remember the
You see me
rules?
jump? Here we
Yeah,
go.
we have to go like down and up.
Yep.
Were we running?
And then it goes down the mountain, then back up to the top. Your turn.
Are you sure it's okay?
Are you
Mhm.
ready?
Okay.
Oh, I know
Take a
you're
long
ready.
line
You're on
down.
your
Stop.
bottom or on
Jump
your
back up to
tummy?
the top.
Okay.
Down the mountain and back up the mountain. Ta-da!
Good
Ready?
job.
Good job.